Survive, they may find. In the year 35, ain't gonna need to tell the truth, tell no lies. Everything you think, do, and say is in the pill you took today. In the year 45, ain't gonna need your teeth, won't need your eyes. You won't find a thing to chew, nobody's gonna look at you. In the year 55, your arms are hanging limp at your sides. Your legs got nothing to do, some machine doing that for you. In the year 65, ain't gonna need no husband, won't need no wife. You pick your son, pick your daughter too, from the bottom of a long glass tube. Whoa, whoa. In the year 75, if God's a-comin', he ought to make it by then. Maybe he'll look around himself and say, guess it's time for the judgment day. In the year 85, God is gonna shake his mighty head. He'll either say, I'm pleased where man has been, or tear it down and start again. Whoa, whoa. In the year 95, I'm kinda wondering if man is gonna be alive. He's taken everything this old earth can give, and he ain't put back nothing. Whoa, whoa. Now it's been 10,000 years, man has cried a billion tears for what he never knew. Now man's reign is through, but through eternal night, the twinkling of starlight, so very far away, maybe it's only yesterday. In the year 25, if man is still alive, if woman can survive, they may
plastic houses and plastic downs. And even the sky is a plastic ceiling painted blue. The streets with plastic trees are so unreal, they bring you down. And it sounds so plastic when people say, how do you do? Can we go? Living in the sky is not living high. We leave the land behind. It's both the sky that wonder why. Or someday we will turn to plastic and surely we will die. Fly me to the earth where the grass is green.
L'anarchia del potere, perché nulla è più anarchico del potere. Il potere fa praticamente ciò che vuole e ciò che il potere vuole è completamente arbitrario o dettatoli da sue necessità di carattere economico che sfuggono alla logica.
One day, this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed.
Ricordo una mattina che non andammo a scuola prendendoci per mano, corremmo verso i campi e come due bambini, cantando noi lanciammo un aquilone che andava su nel cielo, che andava su nel cielo. Saltando tra le siepi, andavi incontro al sole, legata all'aquilone, correvi fino a sera per far durare il giorno ancora un poco. Ed eri ancora mia, ed eri ancora mia.
su gridavi ed eri tanto fiera del vento che portava in alto i nostri sogni, ma presto cadde il sole e il cielo perse tutta la sua luce. E tu volasti via, e tu volasti via. Sei triste e senza sogni, trascini sola sola le tue giornate vuote. Se guardi verso il sole, ricordi vagamente un aquilone. Ma è già volato via, è già volato via.
So your brother's bound and gagged, and they've chained him to a chair. Won't you please come to Chicago just to sing? In a land that's known as freedom, how can such a thing be fair? Won't you please come to Chicago for the help that we can bring?